What's up guys, and welcome to Apple Education's Daily Tech Tips. In today's tech tip, we're learning how to appear offline on your PS5. Now maybe you want to play some games or you want to do something on your PS5, but you don't want all your friends to see that you're online and start sending you messages and things like that. You can make yourself appear offline. Now once you're already there and you're already online, you can change your status by going to your profile icon, selecting it, and then you want to go to the online status, which should be online by default when you're online. Then select that and change to appear offline. But the thing with this is, as soon as you logged on to your PS5, it showed your status as online, and then it's gonna change later to appear offline. Now you can make sure nobody sees that you've logged on to your PS5 by changing your online status before you even log into your PS5. So with your PS5 still on and you want to switch to probably your user account, maybe your other user account, just before you press that user account, you can press the options key on your controller. That's the options key right there, and that should give you options, and you can choose to appear offline even before you log in to the PS5 with that user account. You can also do this when you switch on your PS5. So there you go. So on your PS5, on the logon screen, before you log on with your user account, you can press option and appear offline. Select it just like that. I'm gonna enter my password now, and as soon as you log on to your PS5, it's gonna show that you're offline, as you can see right here. So any of your friends who are already online will not see that you've come online. And that's really how to stay or appear offline on your PS5. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more tips. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.